Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. So, after the last video, we were trying to get on this platform. I tried some more, and I just, that may be something that's got to happen later on in this area. It's going to allow me to get out there. I don't know what it is, but I couldn't find any way out there at all. I also found out that there was a piece of armor out in this thing here, which we did in the very beginning when you learn to ride a Speedle. Because I was wandering around, I found that. Actually, I went through that. I didn't know that had already been there. I checked it out. And we got this piece of armor here, another helmet. We've got Robot Disguise, Galactic Ranger. We got this one. This gives you 5% more melee damage. Now I don't know what the collection bonus is. Oh, I guess if you get all pieces of armor. Okay, I see. We got collectibles. Hammer skins. More hammer wrench skins. Oh, that's... Oh, Rivet has a hammer. Ratchet has a wrench. That's why she pounds things twice all the time. Okay. Alright, so I also found a raritanium on this platform here, what we missed. There's one out here too, I don't know where that's at. We're going to do some of this stuff later. There's raritanium there, which I couldn't get. That was the one that was on the side of the wall. I want to go do that one again too. We're going to go into this thing here first. But first I want to go around the building. I didn't realize there was a way to get around this building. Looks like there is. This way? Can we go this way? So we might as well explore it while we're here. Clear the map. Come on, guys. Did you guys ever work? Well, there's a little thing up there. Ah, nice. Okay, it pays to explore.
So shiny.
So we have a bolt. Okay, we have 5 bolts. Let's see, I want to get the helmet off though. I don't want the helmet. Let's just take it off. There you go. Alright, so how many bolts does that give me? I got 2 bolts. So there's one more bolt somewhere here. Okay. Alright. Oh, crap. How do I get back down? Well, that's interesting. You can get up here, but you can't get down. Okay. I guess we'll just do this, huh? Yeah, wasn't too terrible. Alright, so I guess we gotta go into the rift. That's the next thing. Oh, I know what I want to do. I have a bunch of money now. I want to get the sprinkler. Let's get the sprinkler. The topiary sprinkler. Oh, she has a lightning rod too. Oh, that one's locked. Okay. The topiary sprinkler. Yeah, let's grab that. Sure. Let's see how that works again.
Who doesn't love a day in the sun? Rooting your enemies into the ground with the topiary sprinkler. Spawn a turret that warps your foes into defenseless, trimmable hedges.
Okay, we got that. So
Upgrades ready.
upgrades. What are we looking for? How many more do I have? I got 9. The blast pistol. I want to do the ricochet thing. Is this one all fully upgraded? Pouncing the ricochet at the right time does additional damage.
You picked that one up already.
Okay, so we got everything for this one. This one's fully upgraded at level 1. We got to start using that one a little bit. Okay, the sprinkler. Shatter Bomb, that one's pretty fully upgraded too. Mr. Fungi, he's still got some ways. We can still do some more with him. And we could do some more. I guess, will this give me the golden ones? I don't know, let's put some more on there. What does this do? Increase rate of fire, rapid fire mode. Okay, let's take that one. And this one? And this one. Maybe that'll give me some... Yes.
Oh, my stars! That is a good one!
Headshots. Okay, so now I can grab these. Do they cost more? Or just... Are they all unlocked? I guess they're unlocked automatically. Nice. What are these over here? Increase ammo picked up from crates by 50. And I can get all of those just by doing this, right? Okay. I'm not sure what that means. I don't really know. Okay, well we can't do the Shatter Bomb.
Some more baddies before you can upgrade that one.
Everything is, what is this one here? Enforcer. The Ricochet's all upgraded for now. We gotta just use it. We gotta use it some more.
Happy to help, hun.
Okay. Topiary Sprinkler. R2, Arc Throw. Okay, now what I want to do is... Can I... Okay, so what is on my... I want to put the Ricochet on there. Which one's the Ricochet? Is this the Ricochet? Ricochet. Let's put that where the Sprinkler is right now. Okay. What do we got here? This is Mr. Mushroom. Oh man, I'm gonna mess this all up, aren't I? I did, I already messed it up. This one goes up here. That's what we want. The Ricochet, let's put that over here. And I need the... Where's the bomb? The Neutron Collider? Is that the... I guess that's the bomb. Let's put that one down here. And then this is the, the Shatter Bomb. That's the one I want at the bottom. That one goes down there. And then we'll put Mr. Mushroom over here for now. Okay.
Hey, honey.
That's our Ricochet. That's Mr. Mushroom. And that's the bomb. Okay, that's what we're doing. Alright, so... Let's see.
Okay. Do not enter. Got it.
May I take a look?
Hmm.
I have some experience with dimensional anomalies.
This ought to be good.
Sure.
These things all seem to be puzzles and... Uh-oh. He got sucked in. This is not good. What the hell?
Greetings! Welcome! How did you get in here?
Where exactly is, here?
Oh, you don't know? Well, I don't either. It appears to be a space between dimensions. Could be nothing. Could be a cascading entropic fissure that will soon turn the entire universe into a formless soup. Time will tell.
Oh. Oh dear. Well, I am Clank. Please allow me to help.
Right, yes, Clank. I am the all-seeing cosmic prophet of interdimensional sector 2255 phase Omega. But you can call me Gary. Here we are, Clank. Former warbot, teamed up with the Lombax, became a hero. Ooh, good for you. Ooh, friend of my father. I see.
Your father?
You might just be the one I've been waiting for. Would you like to help me fix the dimensions?
Uh-oh.
You know how to fix the dimensions? And why are there copies of me running around?
They're your possibilities. The key to repairing this anomaly. But first, pick up that nearby sphere.
The nearby sphere. Pick it up and do what with it? Okay. Oh, and I get more bolts.
This is a lift sphere. It can
R2
reduce the
to
gravity
throw
on any
or
object it
recall.
touches. It seems your possibilities are what keeps an anomaly from collapsing. They look like you because that's how you interpret dimensionality. But as you can see, they've lost their way. If you can guide them to the meta-terminal ahead, you will begin to repair this anomaly.
Okay. Do I go? They don't really tell you what to do. I guess I follow him, huh? Oh, I guess I have to do a jump. Try it again.
Now, enter the meta-terminal and you'll be one step closer to fixing this dimensional anomaly.
Exit through the meta terminal. Okay. Puzzles.
Like things are slowly starting to make sense, dimensionally speaking.
So I gotta get those. I gotta keep those guys from getting in the grinder. What's over here? And what does this one do? What does this ball do here?
Ah, a speed sphere. That'll get you moving.
Okay.
I bet some extra speed could make quick work of that barrier.
Okay.
Do you live on Sargasso too, Gary?
Savali, actually. I've been studying in the archives. It's the greatest repository of dimensional knowledge I've ever seen.
To swap equipped a spear. Okay. Okay, so what do I have? I have a speed spear, and what's the other spear that I got? I have a speed spear and a lift spear. So we want to go faster and then go higher, or do we want to go higher and then go faster? I don't know. Let's try this one here. Yeah, this could be a while here. That's the higher spear, maybe the speed spear. Do I have to grab this? Or do I already have it? I don't have either one of them. Okay, we take this one.
I wonder if some extra speed could help my possibilities cross this gap.
Let's get this other one back. Can I get the other one back? Okay, then let's put this one here. No, that's the wrong one. Is that working? I can't tell. This is crazy, guys. This reminds me of... No, it's not working. So we gotta swap them around, maybe. This reminds me of the thing in Fallout 4 where you're in the guy's mind. Alright, so we want to do speed, and then lift, right? Let's do speed first. And then we'll do lift over here. Uh-oh. Did that work? Can't tell. Looks like it did. Let's go back this way first. We gotta run in there too, just like these guys.
That device may be able to redirect my possibilities. There must be a way to activate it.
Alright, well, let's recall. Oh, wait, we got something over here. Whoops, don't fall off, I don't think. Okay, I have to recall the spears, I guess. But do I recall it? Oh, maybe I just get on here?
Outstanding! You seem to be a natural at this
I'm a
point.
genius, I guess,
I am
yeah.
cautiously optimistic.
Exit through the meta. This is just like that side quest in Far Harbor where you have to go through what's his name's mind and you gotta redirect all his little things. That's crazy. Which was a very bad
I
side
feel
quest.
myself learning something by completing these puzzles, but I cannot explain what it is.
The words will
I
come
agree with
to
that.
you when you are ready. Now, lead your possibilities to the final meta terminal. And not to stress you out, but there's a lot riding on this. Like, a lot.
So what is this one I have? A lift spear and a speed spear. Okay, so that stops that.
If I fix this anomaly, will that fix all the damage that has been done in this dimension?
Oh
Let's see.
no, anomalies are spreading too quickly to do that.
Can I get
I'm
this?
afraid a dimensional cataclysm is coming, and our only hope to stop it is with that
Okay,
which
I
caused
can't get that. I need a...
Dimensionator?
Indeed. But if repairing anomalies is helping you learn about dimensionality, I think you'll soon be able to learn enough to save us all. Hopefully.
Okay, I can't get through there
if I will be
probably.
able to solve all of this in the end.
What makes you say that?
It has been a long time since I have been a hero. And with everything that happened with the Dimensionator, I am concerned.
In times of great stress, which seems to be every day of my life, I've always found it best to take things one step at a time. Focus on what's in front of you.
I'm trying. This is a speed
I hope
spear.
I'm not interrupting your process, but I think there are more spheres left to find.
Not sure what that did for me. And then I gotta get that sphere over there. That's my last sphere, but how do I get it? That's the question. How many spears do I have? Oh, I got that one's holding that up over there. Okay. Can I get that spear? Do I need that spear? Hold on a second. Maybe I don't need that spear. I don't know if I need that one or not. I don't know how to get over there. I guess I could throw this over there. Nope.
If I may offer one thought, perhaps it would be beneficial to explore the area for more spheres.
I know there's a sphere over there, but how do I get there? There's one right there. And I can't throw while I'm over here. Okay. There's more spears here. There's no more spears here. Okay, let's go back this way. Can I throw this over there? I don't think so. I think it's gonna go over there probably. That's where it's gonna go. That doesn't help me any. And what is this spear that I have? This is a speed spear. And what's this one? The lift spear.
I'm not an expert, but
I have an
think
idea.
There may be more spears nearby.
Can I grab this one that's in here? No. I need this one. Okay, so I need a speed spear and a lift spear. Which one do I have on me? I have the speed spear. Let's dump that one. Well, let's switch. Let's do the lift spear over here. Right here. Here. Okay. Do the speed spear here. See if this kills us. Nope. I don't want it there. Grab it. We want it over here. And I want to put the speed spear here. Ah, here we go.
This should give me a lift.
Now what do I do? Can I go back down? Hold X to glide down. Okay. Okay, so let's grab all of these. All right. I need to stop that thing. And so we need to put a speed spear here. Well, let's put a lift spear here. I have a lift spear, put one right there. Okay, and we need a speed spear here. Alright. Speed spear here. Okay, and then we need a lift spear over here. And then we gotta redirect everybody.
I wonder if some extra speed could help my possibilities cross this gap.
They're going. We got them.
That's it, Clank! You repaired the anomaly! And now we're one step closer to stopping the dimensional cataclysm.
Exit through the meta terminal. Okay. Another step closer.
So then I says, listen, Mort, you, Mort, and Mort better hide that lemonade before Mort shows up.
Whoa! You saved them! How did you do that?
I am uncertain.
Privet! How the heck are you?
Larry, Daryl, and Daryl.
It is! You would not believe my luck today. My trip to Nefarious City went totally sideways. I wrecked my ship, and
You go on and leave that one to old Mort. Well, assuming you brought that part I asked for, I'll have this old thing in ship shape. Privet! Ship's ready and waiting for ya.
All right, Bolts, I owe you a signal booster. And for that, we gotta go to Xerxes.
Okay, so We can jump our ship. Okay, so there's nothing left to do here. Investigate the dimensional thing. So maybe we should try to get some more of these collectibles in here. There's a few. I don't know. I haven't been over here yet. I don't know what's over this area. I don't even have a mission. It just says get into my ship. Let's not get in the ship just yet.
You're noticing more speedles skittering around than usual. Nesting season came early this year, is what Mort told me. Maybe we should say something?
Okay, let's look how these guys keep waving. That's pretty funny. Alright, well, let's get another let's start another video. And we're gonna go and see if we can't get a few more of these collectibles while we're here before we leave again. So, if you're watching, thanks for watching. See ya.